is Robin and this is my channel. So today, I know I'm way far behind. I have my, can't pick it up, it's my winter edition of the editor's box for Fab Fit Fun. Yes, that's how far behind. And I also have to unbox my spring edition of Fab Fit Fun. So I'm just trying to play catch up, so please forgive me. So if you are new to my channel and you like the content and you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. Now, I posted a video, and I will leave the link above, from the box of fashion stuff. And I guess this, taking the medication and everything is just affecting my mind. I opened this Babella Champagne Kisses palette, and I couldn't figure out, I thought it was a lip palette. And I'm like, these are the strangest colors ever for a lip palette. Well, after researching and getting comments from all my great subscribers, it's actually an eye palette. So, sorry for any confusion. I tried to just wear a couple colors today, so it is definitely an eye palette. So hopefully I didn't take anybody with me on my confusion. So let's get into the Fab Fit Fun Editor's Box, the winter edition. So it comes very nicely packaged, and I think I had a coupon code, so I only paid maybe $29.99 or $39. I didn't pay the like $49.99 that it normally costs to get a box. And it comes with a great magazine, and it tells you everything that comes in here. And I don't think there were choices that you can pick on this box, but I saw, I think it was Jamie's Home. She unboxed it, and I'm like, that looks like such a fun box. I'm gonna have to get it. So the first thing that's in here is Growth Alchemist Hand Cream Vanilla Orange Peel. Now that sounds like it would smell terrific. And I'm not sure if I tried a hand peel. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because most products, when you open it, it kind of loses something in there. But I can read about it. So give me a second. There's so many products in here. Okay, I went through this whole book. I could not find this hand peel. So if I should find it, I will let you know. But I couldn't find it anywhere. But it sounds intriguing because I never heard of the orange peel. But we'll give it a try. And the next thing, and I know I saw this, is the Stone Street Soap House Wholesome Body Cream. Now that looks good, and I did see this. And softens your skin with English honey and Oregon jojoba and almond oils. And this retails for $25. And again, I'm not going to open it because I'll open it just because it'll probably have a safety seal on there. And again, it doesn't. So, oh my God, this smells so good. That's the consistency. So you know what that means? I'm gonna have to use it. But it does smell good. And the next thing is by Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. And Smart Selective And I think I saw that along my journeys of trying to find the other product. And of course, I can't get into this. I hope you guys are having a great week. And I hope it's getting warmer by where you live. Oops. And this is what the tube looks like. And let me see if I can find this little rascal. And there are just so many items. Here it is. Heal dry or damaged skin, including burns, scrapes, and more with this natural balm. And that retails for $30. And then we got our little scrunchies things for the hair. I know we get these in so many boxes. I do use them. Let me know if you get them and you use them and how you like them in your hair. I really haven't had any problems, and they're great because I have such fine hair, and these small ones work very, very good. And let me see if I can find these little guys. And of course, I don't see them on this page. Here they are. They are the BC Invisibobble Original Duo Pack, and they retail for $16. And there's actually, what is there, 4? 1, 2, 3. There's 6 in this pack. So I do like those. And I opened, I'll leave the link above, I opened their winter box. This is the editor's box, and I got the shower radio in there, or the shower speaker, and I absolutely love that thing. I use it all the time. And this is the Ferderer Paris Hydra Ritual Hydration Mask. Hydrating Shine Mask for dry hair, which is perfect for my hair because it is dry. I do color it, so that's why it's dry. And this is what it looks like, so I cannot wait to try it. I love getting hair products in these boxes. And I think I saw that along the way. So the Hydra Hydrating Shine Mask infused with shea oil. This mask will give your hair optimal hydration for silky smooth locks, and it retails for $36. And yes, I am like holding it up because I can't find readers that like work for me. I am gonna have to get like a Sherlock Holmes magnifying glass. I think that's my next step. And the next thing in this box, with my little trail here, my little bird trail, oops, sorry. And of course, they wrap this really good. I'm performing surgery, and we got a guava and fig by Kraft and Foster. Oh, it's a room spray. I love room sprays. And then of course I spray them on my sheets. And the Kraft and Foster room spray has tropical fruits, cassis, and lime leaves, and that retails for $18. I just love a room spray. Ooh, end up leaving my scissors in there. And then we have this. I'm not sure what it is. We'll find out. Jewelry? Could be jewelry. Yep. It's jewelry. I'm not sure what it is. This looks like the clasp part. And it looks like it's a star necklace. It isn't something that I would wear, so I'm not gonna open it. I'll gift it or give it away, or so now I gotta be on the hunt for something that looks like a star necklace. And here it is. It is the 3G Jennifer Sooner Star double necklace, and it retails for $50. It's a dainty, timeless necklace. So I don't know if I would actually pay $50 for this, but so let me know. So, I mean, the box definitely has value. Then we have the Grown Alchemist. I couldn't find the first thing. So, see if we can find this. And let's see what it is. Deep Cleansing Facial Mask. Wheat germ, ginkgo, and cranberry. Oh, it's a duo. Hello, slap me on the face. Yes, so this is a duo set because I see it right here. I tell you, I'm gonna have to go seek help here. So it's the Grown Alchemist bundle, and this duo includes a clay mask and a hand cream to keep your winter skin woes at bay. And the two of them retail for $63. I knew I would solve this mystery, okay? And then we got, I have to shake off my little things here. We got this, not sure what it is, probably a scarf. And sorry, I have these little things everywhere. Let me see if I can find this because I don't see it. I think it's supposed to. I have to get the scissors out, perform surgery. It is the Rachel Pally, and it must be a scarf. It's very soft. I don't wear scarves personally, but it's really pretty if you're into wearing scarves. So, it smells like vinegar. It must be the plastic it was in, but it's got like a vinegar smell. Let's see. This is the, see if I can find it. I don't see it, but to be honest, it smells like vinegar. The Rachel Pally scarf. It's sophisticated black grid pattern, and it says it retails for $68. Let me know if any of you received this scarf, if you think it would retail for $68. It smelled like vinegar. Oh, sorry. I can't even gift this because it's nasty. If it didn't smell, maybe somebody would like it, but I couldn't even gift this. Maybe if I sprayed it and it could get rid of the smell. But again, this was the editor's box. And what did you guys think? I know my review wasn't the best at the end, but there was some good products in here. Would I order it again? Probably not. I think I would just stick with the regular box because there was nothing in there that just made me jump up and say, wow. And I know the unboxing was kind of late, but I really wasn't too impressed with the box overall. So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching and have an awesome day.